How to turn on or turn off mobile data to access the internet on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down. Then in here, tap on connections. And then we go down and tap on data usage. After that, in the mobile section, tap on mobile data or cellular data. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And at the top here, you can also swipe down, and then in here, you can also turn on or turn off mobile data. So tap on this icon right here. This is the mobile data, so you can just simply tap on it to turn off or switch it on. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.